Hello everyone, how are you today guys? I feel not feeling well, Charis. Yung feeling ko parang may 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 kunting sipon, wala naman. So far wala naman, pero iba yung boses ko guys. As you can observe guys, no? You can hear din. Parang I have a vocalist voice. Kasi inuubo ako during night time guys. Pero buti lang kagabi, hindi na masyado. Yung last the other day, parang inuubo talaga ako ng malakas ba? Pero bihira lang, ganun. Siguro na over sa kakain ng mga sweets yung last time doon kami sa birthday kay Bisha. I don't know, then kinabukasan hanggang dito pa kumakain pa din ganun. Timing ba din sa ulan guys, no? So far yun lang man din. Pero parang hopefully pa wala na. Parang I feel pa iba yung boses ko. Ayun. I hope everyone you have a nice day and a great day ahead, guys. And a great day morning. Kumusta ang morning nyo dyan, guys? Kumusta ang araw nyo? So, I feel a little, guys, na lang kulang ako sa energy, guys. Dalang may so far, hindi naman ako nubo pag-araw masyado. Ganun lang. Tapos, maaga ako nagising, guys. I woke up in early. Kasi you know na guys, mga girls, when we have a monthly period, ayun, maaga tayong magising. Maaga din mag-washing. So yun guys, no? Mga girls lang makarelate. So far, so good. Yun lang ang update natin, girls. Coffee kayo dyan. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-coffee, iba yung coffee ko ngayon, guys. No, as you can see, guys. Black coffee kasi yun siya, guys. So far, wala naman tayong runny nose. Parang I feel lang talaga iba yung boses ko. So, I hope kayo dyan nakapag-kape na, kapag almusal na lahat. Everything is good. Everyone has a good and a nice day. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. See you next again. Bye. Keep safe.